the value of 11 by cot square theta minus 11 by cos square theta. So here you can write this like 11 by cot square theta. See, cot, if you write reciprocal, it will become tan square theta minus 11. 1 by cos is secant square theta, because tan and cot are reciprocal, cos and sec are reciprocal. Now if we'll take 11 common, I'll be left with like tan square theta minus secant square theta. See, identity is secant square theta minus tan square theta equals 1. But here I got tan square minus secant square. So tan square minus secant square value is like minus 1. So 11 into minus 1 is minus 11. So the correct option is D. Next question. 3x equals sec theta and 3 by x equals tan theta. Then 9 into x square minus 1 by x square. See, from here 3x equals sec theta. So what is the value of x? X is sec theta by 3. In the same way, 3 by x is tan theta. So from here, if we'll find 1 by x value will be tan theta by 3. Now we need to find the value of 9 times x square minus 1 by x square. So 9 x square is sec theta by 3 whole square. You will get secant square theta by 9. 3 square is 9 minus 1 by x value is tan theta by 3. So 1 by x square is tan square theta by 9. So if we take 9 LCM, numerator will be like secant square theta minus tan square theta. So 9 and 9 cancel. Secant square minus tan square is 1. So the correct option is here also D. Sin theta by 1 plus cos theta. So here sin theta by 1 plus cos theta. So here multiply and divide with the same like denominator but with opposite sign. 1 minus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. So numerator is sin theta into 1 minus cos theta by denominator is a plus b into a minus b. So you'll get like a square minus b square. Sin theta into 1 minus cos theta by 1 minus cos square. See, identity is sin square plus cos square theta equals 1. So 1 minus cos square value will be like sin square. Sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. So 1 minus cos square theta in the denominator you can write as sin square theta. So here sin theta, here sin square. One sin cancel. 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. So 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. So the correct option is 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. Correct option is B. In the given figure, triangle ABC is right angle at B and cot A is 3 by 4. So here cot A is 3 by 4. I'll take 3x by 4x. So cot theta is adjacent by opposite. So here adjacent is, for angle A adjacent is 3x. This is 4x. Now I'll apply Pythagoras theorem to find AC. So AC square equals AB square plus BC square. So AC square is, AB is 3x square, BC is 4x square. So this will be 9x square plus 16x square, 25x square. So AC square is 25x square. So AC will be root 25x square. So AC will be root 25 is 5, root x square is x. AC is 5x, but they give AC is 10 centimeter. So 5x is 10, x will be 10 by 5. So x will be 2. The value of x is 2. Now they are asking AB. AB is 3x. X value is 2. 3 times 2, 6 centimeters. So the correct option is C. From the given figure, find the value of cosec A plus cot A. So here cosec A plus cot A. Cosec A is hypotenuse by opposite and cot A is adjacent by opposite. So angle is at A. So from here hypotenuse is like opposite to 90 degrees, so hypotenuse is B, and for A opposite side is A. Adjacent for angle A is like C, by opposite for angle A is A. So if we'll take LCM, A, B plus C by A. Cosec A plus cot A value is B plus C by A. So the correct option is A.